In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the alternate calendar, specifically the Chinese Lunar Calendar, to your Google Calendar on an Android phone. This feature can be incredibly helpful if you wish to keep track of important dates according to both the Gregorian and Chinese calendars. So let's get started. First, you need to open your Google Calendar app. This should be installed on your Android device by default, but if you don't have it, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Tap on the Google Calendar app icon to launch it. Once you've got the app running, look towards the top left corner of your screen and you'll notice three horizontal lines. This icon represents the menu, often called the hamburger menu, and it provides access to various options and settings in many apps. Tap on these three lines and a sliding menu will appear from the left. This menu gives you quick access to different calendar views and settings, among other features. Next, scroll down through the sliding menu until you reach the Settings option and tap on it. This will lead you to a comprehensive screen where you can adjust various aspects of your calendar experience. On the Settings screen, you'll want to look for an option labeled General. This section contains various general settings that affect how your calendar behaves and appears. Tap on General, and within this menu, you should find an option called Alternate Calendar. Selecting this will give you the opportunity to choose another calendar to display alongside your primary one. Once you're in the alternate calendar settings, you will see several options for different types of calendars. Scroll through these until you see Chinese calendar. This is the setting that will allow you to view the traditional Chinese lunar dates alongside the standard Gregorian dates. Select the Chinese calendar, and once you've made this choice, your Google Calendar will automatically start displaying the lunar calendar dates along with the usual dates. It's that simple. By following these steps, you ensure that your important lunar dates are always visible, integrated seamlessly with your regular schedule. Whether you're observing traditional festivities or just curious about lunar phases, having the Chinese lunar calendar alongside your regular calendar can be greatly beneficial. And that's it. Now you have your Google Calendar set to show both Gregorian and Chinese lunar dates. This little tweak can help keep you organized and aware of events across different calendar systems. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides.